So in lecture 15, we had gone through some important models. Let us see some models now and also previous years questions. So let us see discuss now. Now another model is, see, it is circuit is like this. Find REB. Find REB. This is all are R's. These are all resistance R's. Find the equal resistance between A and B. For that, how to proceed? I have discussed two ways for this one. We discussed in the previous case. I have taken half of this part and discussed this one. Now let's take the full part. First is, let us take the divide the circuit into two halves. First one is divide circuit into two halves. We call this one as mirror method. In this one, then what happens to this one? First, this is left part, this is right part. Now for the left part, for the left upper part, what circuit becomes? This is like this. This is R, this R, and this is R. This is A point, this is R, and this becomes what I told you. This becomes R by 2. This becomes, if you divide this one, this becomes R by 2, and this is this R. This is this R, and this is, we are joining with this. We are joining like this, the upper part of left side mirror image. Upper part, only this part. Upper part of left side image. Okay. Now from here, what we have, this is equivalent to, this is this R by 2 in parallel with R. This is R by 2 in parallel with R. This is, you can do these two. How this will be? This will be something like this is, therefore R by 2 in parallel with R. This is R, this is point A, this is R. Okay, let's take this as 0 point. Okay, now R by 2 in parallel with R is equals to, R by 2 in parallel with R is equals to R by 2 into R by 2 plus R, that is equals to R square by 2 into 3R by 2 is equals to R by 3, that is equals to R by 3. Therefore this is equals to R by 3. This circuit becomes, this is R, this is R, this is R, this is R by 3, R by 3. Now R by 2, R by 3 plus R, these two are in series. R and R by 3 are in series. Therefore R by 3 plus R is 4R by 3. 4R by 3. This is 4R by 3. This is 4R by 3. Now like with this we got this one as 4R by 3. Similarly, left downside also we get this one as 4R by 3. This is 4R by 3. Hold this one. And this one is, we got 4R by 3. The circuit becomes, so this is 4R by 3. This R is there. We are not confused with this R. This is 4R by 3. This R is there. Again, the lower part is 4R by 3. This is 4R by 3. This R is there. This is 4R by 3. 4R by 3, R and 4R by 3. So this is point A and this is point O. This is point A, this is point O. Now 4R by 3, these three are in parallel. Therefore 4R by 3 in parallel with 4R by 3. R in parallel with R is R by 2. So this becomes 4R by 3 into 2. R in parallel with R is R by 2. Therefore 4R by 3 in parallel with 4R by 3. It becomes 4r by 3 into 2, 2 gets this becomes 2r by 3, that becomes 2r by 3, 2r by 3. Now this becomes, this equals to 2r by 3 in parallel with r. This is r is there now. These two are effective is 4r by 3 parallel 4r by 3 is 2r by 3 in parallel with r. This is in parallel with r. Therefore this becomes this equivalents to 2r by 3 into r by 2r by 3 plus r. That is equals to 2r square by 3 into 5r by 3. 5r by 3. 3 gets cancelled, r gets cancelled. This becomes 2r by 5. That becomes 2r by 5. Therefore, the equation is between A and O. Between A and O is how much we got? This is equals to 2r by 5. This is equals to 2r by 5. 2r, this equals to 2r by 5. 2r by 5. Now, similarly for left, for right side, what we get? For right side, that is from O to B. O to B again we get 2r by 5. This is A to O. A to O 2r by 5. O to similarly we get 2r by 5. Now what is net becomes? Therefore between A and B. Between A and B is A and B. This is O. 2r by 5. 2r by 5. That is equals to 4r by 5. That is equals to 4r by 5 is the effective resistance. So what we have done in this method we have taken the mirror type analysis. So left hand side upper part. So this becomes r by 2. R by 2. This is r by 2. This is r. This is r. This is for. This is r. This is r. This is r. This is r. If I calculate that these two are in parallel, coming to this in series, then that becomes 4r by 3. 4r by 3, resistance r, 4r by 3. These three are in parallel. Effective will be 2r by 5. Now 2r by 5 this side, and 2r by 5 right side. Total series is 4r by 5. This is one method. Let us see the another method, direct method also. We get answer is 4r. Remember the answer is 4r by 5. Now let us see the second how to solve this one in the another way. Same problem in the another way by using equipotential point method. Equipotential point method also let us discuss now. So our problem is this is one, this is one. This is A, this is B, R, 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 these are all R's. How to get this one? Now if the current flows like this is equally distributed. The current I flows like this is equally distributed because all the resistors are equal. If I take this point 0 or point O, then that will be a equipotential point. This point will be a equipotential point. O is equipotential point. O is equipotential point because the currents, because the current is equally distributed. So we can lift that point. We can lift that point. We can lift that point. Equipotential point. Let us lift that point. The circuit becomes. This will be. This is A. This is B. This is R. This is R. This is R. Similarly, this side R, R, R. Now we have to lift this point. Now this point is O. So this will be. I lift this point. Similar here also. This is R. This is R. This is R. R, 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 R. We have lifted that point O. Then what happens? This will be, see, this will be like this. This is point O. This is R, 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 R. This equal. These two are in series. These two are in series. This point is are the series. These two are in series. This is R. This is R. This R is this one. This R is this one. This R and R. R and R. So this is R, R. R this side. R that side. R and R. R and R. R. Now these two R and R are in series. Effect will be R by 2. This will be R parallel with R series with R is, this is 2R. This will be 2R. R in series with R is 2R. 2R in parallel with R. This will becomes, this is R. This will be 2R. Okay. This is 2R, R, 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 R and R. 2R in parallel with R. 2R in parallel with R is 2R by 3. 2R in parallel with R. 2R in parallel with R. 2R in parallel with R is equals to 2R into R by 2R plus R. 2R square by 2R square by 3R. This cancel, that is 2R by 3. 2R by 3. 2R by 3. Now this effect is 2R by 3. Now this will be equivalent to, so this will be equivalent to, this effector is 2R by 3. 2R by 3. This is R. 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 R and R. This is 2R by 3. 2R by equal below also 2R by 3. Now how this will be? This will be R in series with 2R by 3 in series with R. R in series 2R by 3 in series with R. This will circuit will be R in series R 2R by 3. This is R. This is R and R, and this will be, this is R 2R by 3, R, 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 2R by 3 and R, A and B. This will be, so R plus R is 2R, 2R in parallel with 2R by 3, 2R series, series, 2R in series 2R by 3, 2R plus 2R, this is 2R plus 2R by 3, this is 8R by 3, circuit will be, this is 8R by 3, 8R by 3 in parallel with R plus R, 2R, again this will be 8R by 3, this is A, this is B, 8R by 3, the factor is 8R by 3, 2R, 8R by 3, 8R by 3, 2R, 8R by 3, 8R by 3, 2R, 8R by 3. Now what is the effect of this one? 8R by 3 in parallel with 8R by 3. What will we get? 8R by 3 in parallel with 8R by 3. 4R by 3. Because R by 2. 4R by 3. This is 4R by 3. So this will be, this is 8R by 3 in parallel with 8R by 3. This is 4R by 3 because R in parallel with R by 2. I told you. This is 4R by 3 in parallel with 2R. B, this is A. Now 4R by 3 in parallel with 2R is, this becomes 4R by 3 into 2R by 4R by 3 plus 2R. This will be 8R square by 3 into 3 to 6, 10R by 3. 3 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled, 4 and 5. This equals to 4r by 5. Same answer we got in the previous case also, 4r by 3. So this is the way to do this type of, there are two methods to do this type of problems, right? Okay, we will see another one in the next class. Okay.